I see is that the cemetery right here?
It's supposed to be in the woods right behind it.
Huh.
Here's, yeah. Originally called Jumpers.
So, yeah, apparently it's just in the woods. Jackson Trace.
Not what does it say? 1813. I can't tell when he died.
Ten. Wonder what that one's marking over there. Anything? I don't know. It may be because it's marking this side. This looks like a trail. Oh, okay, Robert. Somebody been through here, ain't there? Yeah.
Whew. Watch out for that little stick up right there. Ouch. Huh. There's like a road right here coming in. Right there where we was coming in, pulled off in.
We're parked in front of this, I think. This little thing.
Yeah.
It might be goes to it.
Oh, don't fall on me.
Oh, we could never get the bike.
No.
Well, hell, I thought it'd be right here. Yeah, I wouldn't thought so too.
Here it is.
Where?
Right there. I see headstones. Yeah. I just walked right into a briar thing. Yeah. Something right here. Yeah. I think there's something right here actually.
Yeah.
There's a look right there.
We're standing in it.
Yeah. Something right
I
there.
wonder if they robbed them or they sunk. Both. There's a marker. Yeah, this is, look at this fucking, yeah, look, we're standing on it.
Yeah. Look straight ahead of you, Willie.
Yeah, look.
That wrought iron fence.
Oh, I see. Oh, man. Look at that.
I don't see no headstone in there. That's maybe something on that little door right there, maybe. Yeah, it's got something on it.
What does it say?
Fannie, Fannie C. Burt, 1853.
7 years. Boy, look at that. Look how beefy that wrought iron is. Boy, that's that old school shit. Holy cow. Yeah, that's cool. The Fannie Old Bird.
They no telling what's in these woods. Here's some more gravestones up through here. A few more, I see. A few more headstones up here. These have a little bit more inscribing on them. Looks like. Yeah. There's a big monument back here I see. We're getting further and further away from the bikes too. I got my key. Holy crap, there's way more headstones back here. Is this some type of big cemetery? There's headstones over here. There's headstones back over here on this side I just seen. Way back over in there. There's one on the ground laying down. There's a monument right here in front of me. There's some old stuff right here. 1854, lived to be 78. So he was born in the 1700s. Damn, you know what I did leave at my bike? My phone, sitting on the dash. Yeah, I still see headstones back here. This big tree right here, laying across a bunch of them. Yeah, it broke another big monument down right here, that tree did. Dang. Ain't no telling what all I got crawling on me. Let's see. I don't really... It's kind of weird. I see one new headstone back here. There's a newer headstone I think I just seen. $1853 on this one. I can't tell on this one on the other side of this tree. It's kind of newer. You can tell it's made out of a different type of stone.
How many of them are in here?
I don't know. There's another gate right here. They got knocked down. I got a 1950 and a 1930 back here. There's so many bodies back here probably.
I know,
they keep going.
Where do you think that is right there, Willie? That mound of bricks right there beside you.
Yeah. No, they just didn't dig. They just. That's cool, man. Look at that old masonry.
Come here, look at this one right here, Willie.
We need to come back out here in the winter time.
Yeah.
We need to actually see them all. 'Cause I bet there's 100 of them out there.
Oh yeah.
Look at all of them.
Come here and look at.
72 is what I thought I read.
Look at the one on that side. On the side of this, and it's older than this one here on this side. But look how it's made.
Mm-hmm.
It's a different type of headstone. It's like that headstone got made somewhere else.
Yeah.
It's a 1930, I think, on the bottom.
Yeah, that's like a one you buy at the store.
That one right here by Will that he's by was a 1953. So that's actually newer than the one on the other side of the tree. But the one on the side of the tree looks newest. That's the newest one I've seen out here.
1874.
That's some wild shit out here. Yeah, this is one of the monuments right here that fell.
Yeah, sure is. That's the Masonic.
Ow! Golly! Yeah, I'm bleeding a little bit now.
Yeah.
Don't grab that thing.
It's thorny.
Yeah.
Yeah, look out.
Yeah, there's some type of opening back there. I don't know what it is.
1854.
I'm more worried about getting back to my bike at this point. Knowing that my phone's on it. My cell phone's just dangling on my bike right down there. Hopefully nobody's gonna fuck with it.
That's a big old stone fence right there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And we went pretty deep in here too.
This would be a fun one to come back to in the winter.
I've came by this place so many times. Come out here to y'all's place.
Man, it looks like they've been digging them up on it. They just sank. I doubt there's anything in them. People were fucking poor. They didn't bury you or nothing. Gold tooth, maybe. Oh, we're in one right there.
Oh. I think that was it right there, wasn't it?
Old thing.
Yeah, I think that was it.
Yeah, I've been stalled out in the big rut.
Yeah.
Come back and push you out, helps you get out. That was like a year or two ago.
Yeah, it's almost been 3 years ago, I think.
Okay. Yeah, I watched that last night.
2 or 3.
Yeah, man, that road was full up.
Yeah, I can only imagine what it looks like now.
Yeah, it's worse.
I mean, honestly, I feel like they need to shut it down for like about a year and just try to repair that whole bad rutted area.
Let me get on the excavator and what I can do.
Try to make it like, not all the way like 600-2, like the last section,
Yeah.
but
Don't touch this stuff on the tree now.
which one?
All of them.
I've done had my hands all over everything.
Cool.